yung pamilya po niya has been a blessing to our family. I'm really sorry to the intruder. Yung aming small business is held up by her kindness, her generosity. Tapos hindi ko talaga inisip na gagawin ko to sa buhay ko, but I really found my soulmate. Very happy. And I'm also honored na kakantahan kami ng Inner Voices. It is a special song. This is a special song. Angelo, salamat. Attorney, thank you sa inyo lahat. Belle, I love you very much. I love you very much, sweetheart. You blessed my life. You blessed my life. Pag ikaw nag-no, papatayin kita. So, sa Inner Voices, sa kaibigan namin, I hope you can do us the honor of singing this song. Ito, kanta kasi ng mga matatanda ito sa mga... To the Williams family, thank you. I love you. Thank you. Belle, I hope you will marry me. I love you. Mahal yan. Dito na nga ako sa gilid. Sa'yo na kayo sa gilid. Ako naman.